Guys, this was a question which was asked in the GATE 2011. The question is that two particles each of rest mass m collide head to head, and before collision the speed was 0.6 times the speed of light. The mass of final entity is what? The question means that there is a two particle which is of equal mass m is going to collide with each other head to head at some point in space, and the speed is each of them has the speed of 0.6 times c, which is the speed of the mass, each of the mass. And what we need to find out is the mass of the final entity. Okay, after collision, what the mass is. Okay, that's we have our options here. So the first thing that we can do is that we know the equation for energy, relativistic case equation for energy is mc square by root of 1 minus v square by c square. Okay, that's all we need to know to solve this problem. Okay, the first thing that we can do is that the mass of the both particles before collision energy of two particles before collision can be written as E1 plus E2 will be equal to the energy of the particle after collision, which is E final. So E1 can be represented as m, which is the mass of the particle, into c square, which is the velocity of light, by root of 1 minus v square, which is the velocity of the particle, which is 0.6 by c square, 0.6 c square by c square, plus the same, which is m into c square. It has the same mass and the same velocity, minus 0.6 c square by c square, which will be equal to E final, which is mc square, m dash c square. Okay, new mass m dash. The new mass is what we need to find out. So m dash can be written as 2mc square by root of 1 minus 0.6. c square and c square will be cancelled out, so is equal to 2 m into and this c square and this c square will be cancelled out. That's how you get 2m by root of, okay, this c square and this c squares will be cancelled out, and you get 2m by root of 1 minus 0.6 square, I'm sorry, c square 0.6 square, 0.6 square. Okay, and 0.6 square is 6636, so 0.36. 1 minus 0.36 will be 2m by root of 0.36 will be exactly around 0.64. Okay, 0.64, which will be equal to 2m by 8.8. so root of 64 is 8, then root of 0.64 is 8, 2m by 8, so which will be equal to 2m into 10 by 8, which will be equal to 5m by 4, right? 5m by 20 by 8 will be equal to 5m by 4. Okay, so the option which is the right one is A. So it was a very easy question. I hope you guys understood it very well. So for more videos, you just get to the link CSIR Net Physics. Thank you for watching.